Ah, this is probably one of the worst problems to have. Being ready, having your website, your apps ready to go, everything's fully optimized, and it's your ad creative. You're just slacking out here, and this is a problem we're going to solve. And today I'm going to show you guys exactly how we're going to fix all this. I got some pretty obvious ones and some that you might not have heard of, but I'm going to drop some advice on you, some knowledge bombs, and we're going to figure out what is the best option solution for you to get these ad creatives out and pumping so that you can start advertising, testing, and of course making that internet bread. The first way and cheapest way of getting your ad done is doing it yourself. So I understand that sometimes you might not be able to because iMovie is just not good enough to edit videos. So I'm going to show you guys a little. We're going to click here, and this is what you're going to do. You're going to scroll down and you're going to download this. So you're going to click on this. Don't click on the studio because you have to pay for that one. Click whatever you're on, download it, and then you have a professional editing software. So you're not going to have to get, Final Cut Pro. You're not going to have to get anything else. You're just going to be sticking with this. This is incredible. If you want to edit videos yourself, DaVinci Resolve. Videos for free without paying is pexels.com. So over here you see you get tons of videos you could use. I don't know if there's ways you could implement this somehow. There's always really creative ways to make like really awesome creatives. Sometimes you are going to be able to find content for your product or whatever you're trying to advertise on Pexels, but most of the time you're not going to be able to. So what does this mean? This means that you're going to have to send the product in to your house, to your apartment, wherever you are, film some videos yourself, and then quickly edit it down into a video. This is the best and cheapest way possible. I know it's most likely advertised all over YouTube, probably like everyone talks about it, but yeah, Fiverr. Fiverr's a really good place to get a lot of stuff for a very cheap price, and obviously the production value isn't going to be the craziest every single time, but sometimes there are some hidden gems here. You are going to be able to get some crazy videos for $5. So I just made a quick search. I just searched up TikTok ads, and over here we already have a couple. This one's starting at 60. This one's going to be starting at 30. This one starts at $5. So I personally know Fiverr is a bigger risk because yes, you could be spending that $5, but that $5 could be just straight up burnt because sometimes these guys make really garbage content, and sometimes they make really incredible content. It's just it's gambling. Fiverr is really just gambling, but there are ways to get more consistent results, especially when it comes to creating really good ads, and I'm going to show you guys later. But we're going to scroll through here. I mean, these look, there's a lot here. Here is the next solution. This is Billow. Billow has saved me personally so many headaches, so many issues. My agency does not offer creative content creation, so having some type of third party platform to create it for us is amazing. And I always just outsource to these guys, and these guys always do a really good job. Don't do it myself. It's usually I always tell my client to do it directly, so it just saves me the headache, but I always refer these guys. And as you can see, they do a lot. They do video ads, testimonials, unboxings, how-to videos, 360 videos, and it starts at a really good price at $59, which is crazy low for how much value you're getting. You need to understand that you pay the service fee, so you pay, let's say, $60, and now you have to send in your product to them. So you send in the product, that's going to be like, however your product is, the shipping, it goes into them, and they create a video for you. They edit it up and then they send it back to you. And that's the really cool part, because not only are they filming everything, they also edit it all up and then send it back to you. So it's really good because you get a lot of their skills, their talent, and it just saves you a massive headache. The only thing is that you should be aware of is that you're not going to get your product back. Don't expect to get your product back. You send your product in, the content creator gets it, makes a video for you, and they keep it. So don't expect to get it back, but this is a really good investment. So truly, every single time you're going to send in a product in, remember it's the service fee plus actually sending your product in or whatever like that. Okay, so this is how it looks. We are now officially in Billow, and I clicked on create a task, and now you can see everything, all of this behind the scenes, how everything looks here. So obviously you're going to select a product, whatever product you want. A video type. So over here you have video ads, testimonials, how-to, unboxing, 360. The really good part about all of this is that it's user-generated content, and this is going to skyrocket, absolutely skyrocket all of your ads immediately because it's going to feel more organic, especially on TikTok. And that's exactly what you want on TikTok. And you have a lot of customization features over here, so you could select like the hands only, especially if you're talking about makeup or glasses. You can have someone's body in the video itself, showing everything. If a normal person is just filming on their iPhone camera, that iPhone camera isn't going to have a crazy quality. It's not going to have, crazy lighting or anything. It's going to feel more natural. Meanwhile, over here, there's obviously better lighting. The quality is better and all of that, and it just a better production value. So it's just the way TikTok works. So sometimes you want to stick with this one, you want to stick with the cheaper one, and this might actually have a better return on investment. 15 seconds is what I prefer for TikTok ads. However, I have seen ads that have performed really well that have gone for as high as, 45, but we don't have a 45 seconds option here. But this obviously just, you got to use your brain here, figure out what's going to be the best timing for you. 15 to 30 seconds should be good enough for TikTok. 60 seconds I think is a little too much, and this is where a lot of business owners go wrong, because when they're talking about the scenarios and scenes, so over here, this is the interesting part, because there's 3 scenes that you're given already standard. And what you need to do is you need to tell your model or whoever's doing the service for you what you want in the scene. So before you actually, send your product out, you should have a pen and paper, storyboard your scenes, try to think creatively of what you'd like them to do with it. Maybe show them how the product is, how it looks, maybe an unboxing. So you type that in. So first of all, we're going to type in something like unboxing. And obviously you want to put in more detail, you want to put in more effort, but I'm just making this video for you guys so you guys can get an understanding. So unboxing, talking about product. Obviously, guys, please put in more effort than this. This is very lazy. You want to be very specific, detailed, and down here, anything you want them to mention. So if you haven't noticed, there's a lot of customization features here. It's very important. You do everything as much as you possibly can. So this is my agency, so that's why it says that. Obviously, because you're going to be advertising on TikTok, you click on TikTok, and this is going to pop up automatically. We've added this one a couple of times, but majority of the time on TikTok, you want to leave it. You want to make it feel organic and kind of like purposefully lower quality than like a higher production value. A lot of customization over here. So you can get the creator's gender, the age, all of that. So when you scroll down, you're going to notice it's going to say 3x videos, but you can get it down to 1 video. That's not a problem. And remember, this is the important part. You have to ship out your product. You ship it out to them as a giveaway. That's basically the content creator's payment compensation for their services. Then you get your estimated video delivery. It's super worth it. My favorite service, just incredible all around. And obviously the last step is going to be the most expensive one. Honestly, I just found these guys. I'm not sure, who they are, what their service is, but obviously they got TikTok stuff here, and they do have content creation. So it's definitely going to be costing you a pretty penny for all of this. But if you have a bigger budget, then an agency is the way to go. If you don't have a budget of a couple $1,000s a month for content creation, you don't need an agency. Just stick with Billow, Fiverr, or do it yourself. And guys, if you've made it to the end of the video and you haven't yet joined my Discord, you really need to join it. It's one of the best places, and it's all for free, by the way. I personally recommend Billow. I recommend Billow to everyone. I don't get paid for this. I don't have like a referral link or anything. I like these guys. I like their business. I like everything they've done for me.